channel. Let's explore with Anubhab. For this activity, we need some materials. So let's see. We need A4 size, 3 different colored chart paper or cartridge paper. Here I have taken blue, pink and violet cartridge papers, white paper sheet, a paper cutter, a black marker and pencil, 2 pairs of scissors and glue. So let's start the paper fish activity. I have taken the blue colored paper. Now fold it from one corner like this. Now slowly press it. Now turn the paper. Now fold it like this. Slowly press it. Now take the paper cutter and cut the paper. Now friends, slowly cut the paper. Now keep it aside. Now friends, look, it is square in shape. Now we will fold from one corner like this. Now slowly press it. Now fold it with the another side. Now slowly press it. Now it will look like this. First fold it. Now this is our crest line. Now we will cut it up to the crest line. We should maintain the distance. We should cut up to the crest line. Now it will look like this. Keep it aside. Now I have taken a white sheet and a pencil to draw the circle to make the eyes of the fish. Now cut it. Now I have 2 eyes. Keep it aside. Now I have taken a pink paper. Fold it and press it. Now we will cut to make the tail. Now see, it looks like this. I have taken the pink sheet to make the fins. First fold it and press. Now again fold it. Now cut it. Now see, our fins are ready. I have taken a pink sheet to make the mouth of the fish. First fold it. Now press it. Then cut it. Now my all cutouts are ready. Now we will stick the eyes with the help of glue. draw the eyeball. papers. Just turn the page. Use glue. Now fold the paper and stitch it. Then turn it. It looks like this. Now join the pins with the help of glue. Now join the tail. Now adjust the mouth. Now cut the edge. Now set it. Now our paper fish is ready. Look friends, I have made many beautiful and colorful fishes. So friends, try at home. It is very easy to do. Oh no friends, it is very useful to our school project. And we can use these fishes to decorate our house. And if you enjoy my video, then please like and share. And if you subscribe my channel, I will get the energy to make new and more beautiful videos. And those who have subscribed my channel, I want to say thank you to them. And if you are new in my channel, there will be